Let me break down all the foundation of what you think manifestation is and what it actually is. A lot of misinformation is spread through some of these fake spiritual niggas that y'all be watching, bro. I promise you, manifestation is not that hard. It's not some spiritual, oh, I gotta be meditating 10 times a day to be able to know. It's not that hard. Anybody can manifest. The successful people that you see in this world, bro, like the worldly people, they know how to manifest. It's not a spiritual only practice. It's just tapping into certain spiritual laws. So in today's video, that's what we finna get into. Let me give y'all a foundation understanding of what manifestation is. So what manifestation is simply the bringing of the inner world into the outer world. If you don't know this, let me tell you right now, you have manifested your entire life. The person you are today, right now, watching this video, you manifested that person. The things in your surroundings, the people that are around you, the things you think about yourself, even down to how your physical appearance looks a little bit, you manifested that. Whether you are aware of it or not, you're manifesting all day, every day. The thing about manifestation is that it plays a lot to your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is your manifestation mechanism. So how do you tap into your subconscious mind? On my channel, I have a lot of videos. I'm gonna leave some right here. I have a lot of videos that learn how to tap into your own subconscious mind, but the subconscious mind is basically the mind that feeds you conscious thoughts. So the things that you think consciously are fed to you from a source, and that is the subconscious mind. Through your subconscious mind, we have certain belief systems, we have certain desires that come as we've lived and we repeatedly think and have emotion towards these things and image them. These things come imprinted into our subconscious mind. Understand that. The subconscious mind works off of imagery and emotion. So if you want to delve into your own subconscious mind a little bit more, really think about the things that you feel about yourself. When you see something, how do you naturally react? What is your innate reaction? That innate feeling, that innate reaction that you have towards something is your subconscious mind. Manifestation is you consciously rewriting your subconscious mind. You have to implement thoughts, you have to implement images into your brain on a daily basis that are going to serve towards your manifestation. And like I said, I have more videos on my channel going more in depth on how to tap into your subconscious mind, but simply just do affirmations, start acting different now, really just become aware of certain thought processes and feelings. And that's the base level of manifestation. Like with this, you're good. Like if you really just want to do that, you can cut the video off right here. But we don't go surface level here. I want my people to know every single aspect of this manifestation, and we are spiritual beings, so we know the spiritual manifests before the physical. So yes, manifestation is a highly spiritual practice. The spiritual concept of manifestation is such a simple concept in its base understanding. When you understand this, what you want, you already have. The person that you want to become, the ideal version of yourself, is already here. And what manifestation is you simply tapping into the vibration of the thing that you want to become. You know that the physical isn't all there is. You know there is a higher level of thinking and being that comes before this physical realm. On a biological level, bro, we can only see, what, 1 or 2% of the light spectrum? There's so much shit around us that we can't see all the time. Yet we, as our natural human bodies, are vibrating on a higher level than our eyes can see. We can tap into multiple dimensions of being. What manifestation is you tapping into that being, okay? So how do you do this? Let me explain this in the most layman's terms possible. How do you know this is a cup? Your eyes see it, and then your brain has an image of what a cup looks like and an understanding of what a cup is. So it's like, oh yeah, no, this is just a cup, my nigga. Like, yeah, it's cool. If I hand this to a person who's never seen a cup before, they could think whatever of it. They can make this into anything they wanted to make it. That goes to show you the importance of perception. This tells you what this is. It's not the other way around. The physical doesn't tell you what the internal is. The internal tells you what the physical is. That gives you a level of self-awareness. And now you can start shifting with the understanding of the subconscious mind and of just spiritual law. Now you're able to start shifting that inner world into what you want it to be and what you have to do in order to manifest. All you have to do in order to manifest this into this is just act on that. Say, fuck the physical. Let me just go straight off of my mind. I don't care what is shown in front of me. I don't care how terrible my current life is. I don't care how many pounds I have to lose. I don't care how little money is in my bank account right now. I am a millionaire. I am a millionaire. I am healthy. I am divinely healthy. I am abundant. Start to repeat it and have a visual, stern image of yourself of how you want to become and just start tapping into that version. How do you tap into that version? Act on that version. When something occurs in your life, don't just react to it. Consciously assess, how would this version of me that I want to become, how would the version of me that has this act on this current situation? And then when you start to act on it and continue to act on it, manifestation is effortless. Think about it. With that understanding of manifestation, now you can start to see how you've manifested your entire life. Because you've had a certain image or certain belief systems that have manifested in your inner world, and now it's here. Now this is where faith becomes such an important and integral part of this entire process. You now have to have complete and utter faith, not only in yourself, that you can continue to act on this inner version, but now you have to have faith that everything God puts in front of you in this physical realm is simply a stepping stone to get you closer to that version. I'm gonna tell you right now, as you start to manifest, God is gonna test the fuck out of you. God doesn't give it to you easy because God knows the riches come to those who work for it. So you have to put in that spiritual work. You have to have complete faith, no matter what is going throughout your day, that I am completely aligned with this version. I'm completely aligned with the version of myself that has $1 million. I am completely aligned with the version of myself that has a beautiful partner. You have to act on that every single day in your life, and God will make sure that you on your toes. You're gonna get tested. Be prepared for tests. I'm gonna actually make a video about spiritual tests another time. But you are going to get tested. Especially the bigger and higher your manifestation is, the more vibration it is. Yeah. No, trust me, bro. You're gonna have to put in some work, brother. You're gonna have to put in some work. But I promise you, if you just have that faith and you continue to stay consistent in your path, easy. It's done. I've manifested my entire life now. I can now consciously manifest my entire life. That's why I can go at certain things like this YouTube thing and say, yeah, I'm gonna be successful. I am successful already. You feel me? Like, this is where that internal confidence, when you see somebody who's really confident in what they've built, like a Kanye West, probably a bad example right now because he's wilding, but like a Kanye West, he has manifested his entire life. And that confidence radiates off of him. And I'm telling you right now, dog, everybody has access to that power. And all you have to do is have faith. And now that you understand the manifestation laws, man, easy money. I can't wait to see what y'all build out there, man. All right. So GVO gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. I hope it resonated. I love y'all. If y'all have any suggestions, any videos, comment them below, man. If y'all have any questions, y'all have all my socials in the description. I would love to talk to some of y'all. And thank you for the support, man. We finna blow up. You know what I'm saying? We done blown up, man. So I can't wait to see what the future holds. I love y'all. GVO gang signing out.